Welcome. In the previous session we had seen how to write the if else command. So in this session we will be learning the multiple if loop concept. So let's copy the file, say we'll give the name multiple if. Okay, so let's open into the view meter. Okay, so here we want to pass the multiple if statement. So in this case, now the number, if it is equal to the 7, then only then it shall print the value is matching. Then if so for this is a syntax for multiple if. So you can see the if will be the always the initial declaration of the if left concept, and else will be the default, it will be come to the last. So if you want to pass the multiple argument, if you want to match with the multiple cases, that time you can use the else if. So you just make out the difference. The in the else if, the spelling is ELSIF. Okay, but in the shell scripting, if you remember in SS flavor, there is a syntax elif. So ELIF. Okay, so there is no space, ELIF. Okay, and that top C cell in that flavor, that the syntax was else space if. So this is same spelling of the else here, space if. So, okay, so that was the syntax into the top C cell. And but now here this is the syntax that you need to remember. So most of time that people get confused while writing the syntax. Okay, because this is how the package is declared for this multiple if loop concept in that Perl package. So let's compare with the number. So we'll compare with 6. Okay, so or we'll say the number here. So we'll give 5 here and we'll give 10 here. Okay, so that time we shall get output print space the value is still not matching. Okay, so let's run the script. So when we pass the 10, that time itself print this output, the value is still not matching. Okay, so we need to improve this. In curly bracket we had to write this double quote. Okay, so now when we pass the 10, that time we shall get this out response. When we pass the 5, that time we shall get this response. In any of these two cases except these two, we shall get this response, the value is not matching. So let's run the script. So you can see this is the script here, and this is the result of execution of the script. So let's give number 5, so the value is matching. Let's give 10, the value is still not matching. Let's give the number 20, the value is not matching. Okay, so this all the loop, it got iterated, it got executed, so based on the given input. Okay, so this is the way that we can write the multiple if else command. So if you want to verify with more one condition, so you can club more one else if along with this. So in between the if and the else body segment, that you need to declare the else if. So you can compare with the multiple conditions you can place in between these two body syntax of the if else. Thank you.